We know Samsung has been diligent and on course with their monthly security updates on One UI 4.1 on the Galaxy S22 series, and the current June update is no different. What's interesting this time around is the size of the software update is different between the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra, which could mean different fixes and potential refinements to features already there. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with us here at SamMobile TV. Let's take a brief look at the state of One UI 4.1 after the June update on the Galaxy S22 series. For reference, we do have all three Galaxy S22 models at hand, and they are the UK and European models, which are all powered by the Exynos 2200. The download size for the Galaxy S22 Ultra is around 219 megabytes, while both the S22 and S22 Plus have a larger download size at 1.5 gigabytes. The last four figures of the build number for the software is AVF1 for all three models. The changelog for the update, as per most monthly security updates, does not really give much information on specific fixes, patches, or improvements, apart from, of course, the generic overall stability improvements and further improvements to the performance. A few core native and third-party Samsung apps are also updated after the monthly software updates is completed. After that, not much is obvious as to the improvements or fixes that have been made, but I will say that the overall speed of the phone felt really good and much quicker, especially in regards to opening apps, even when not loaded in memory. This is so far the most noticeable improvement. It might be an early placebo effect of the new update, but you know what? So far, so good. Looking through the overall settings and features like the camera, not much has changed in terms of the look and feel, but there could be potential improvement to the shutter response when taking pictures, as some users have reported this to be the case. Users have also reported issues with drop calls on GSM models of the S22 Ultra, which have now apparently improved. There is not much else to go by as to why the Exynos models of the S22 and S22 Plus have a larger download size compared to the S22 Ultra for the June update. This could be down to patches and fixes to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the QR code scanner, and other flaws as a main focus for the S22 and S22 Plus. Indeed, it is good to see Samsung stay the course on timely monthly updates in general, especially for their flagship devices. One thing we would like to see from Samsung is a more detailed look on their improvements, fixes, and additional improvements to features currently on hand in the update changelog, so that it's easier for the end user to know the benefits and improvements from the get-go. Have you received the latest June update for One UI 4.1? Let us know your experience so far in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.